this is Gloria. I made another card. It says hello. It is a saturated canary. Her name is Lillian, is what I used. And I don't know if it's gonna pick it up. But on her eyes, I use glossy accent, and they're raised to give them more of a realistic look. I also used this here paper, which is an older paper pack that I've had for a while, but I'm just trying to use some of them up. I use La La Land's corner dies. This is little yellow bicycles. Hello. I got it on clearance, but I thought it worked really well with this card. On the inside, I just used some of the paper. It's light enough to where you can sign it, write a note, whatever you like. If you like the card, hit the like button. If you're new to my channel, would love some new subscribers. If you're interested in purchasing this card, my email will be down below, and so will my Etsy. So if I don't sell it here first, then I will eventually get it into my Etsy, and you can go over there and check it out. So that's another card I wound up making. Thank you for watching, and you have a good day. Bye.